Hi guys, I'm Praveen Nair. I'm a fitness coach, and I must say that having good hair, good skin, it gives you a lot of confidence for the day-to-day life, and makes you feel really comfortable. Especially when you're in the meetings for the work or just roaming around the road. So something really special, and I think I'm really happy about what I've done to myself. So I've got the hair transplant done from Ashore, and especially I must take the name of the special guy here. That's Dr. Abhishek. He's more than a doctor, he's a friend to me, and every time I walked in over here, I felt really comfortable. Great atmosphere, great staff, and most importantly, the overall treatment went so smooth, so nice, and it was really comfortable overall. It's kind of, I would say, painless, and you get to see the results very quick. So I highly recommend this place for those people who are looking for that little change which can make a huge difference in your overall life.